I'm Deb from Forge Ahead, and this afternoon on this beautiful October day in Michigan with the sun shining and very little breeze, we are going to be doing some Raku enameling. And Raku is so much fun, and when I started to do Raku, I could not find anything on YouTube about Raku, about how it works or anything. So I'm just going to give a little demonstration today. And the fun thing about Raku, and something that I had to learn on my own, was that transparent enamels work the best with Raku, better than opaque enamels. In fact, opaque enamels don't work. You don't get the Raku effect, the metallic glaze effect with opaque enamels. You need the transparent enamels because the metal oxides they use to color the transparent enamels are what burn to the surface and produce the beautiful metallic finish that you get with Raku. So that's all I'm going to say about it right now. I'm going to jump in and fire these. You can see that I've already enameled these pieces, and now I'm going to fire them again and get them red hot, and then drop them into this straw that I will light on fire, put a lid on the straw, and that will draw the oxygen out of that metallic metal in the transparent enamels. So here we go. I am using this, suddenly I can't remember what it is. MAP gas, yeah. I use propane too. MAP gas burns a little hotter, which is great for this process. So here we go. And because we're outside and it's a little bit cooler, this will take a minute to really get up to temperature. I want this glowing orange before I drop it into the straw. And I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to just fire it from underneath and move right around the corner here to be able to drop this in. And I'm still going to need to move a little bit so that I can grab the lid of the kettle to put on that burning straw. And if your fire goes out, you just start it up again. This is a very stinky process. You will smell like you've been sitting by a campfire for hours when you're done. A shower will be in order after you finish a Raku session. And it's hard to tell out here in this light if that is glowing orange or not, but I'm going to assume that it is, and I'm going to drop it into the straw now. Woohoo! And we put that lid on, and the enamel will oxidize in there. So I leave this in here. Really, I could see when I put it in there that the process had already started working. So I'm just leaving it in there for enough time for some of the smoke to die down a little bit. I'm going to move over here so that I'm not in front of it when I lift this lid off. I already smell like a campfire. Okay, and we'll pull the piece out. Oh yeah. Love what we got. I don't know if you can see that metallic glaze, but it looks really good. And I will let this cool, and then I will put it in water and rub the soot off, and more of that glaze will be exposed, and it will be really pretty. That's great.